Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do my beef soup. So first we're going to start with seasoning our beef. We cut it up 1-inch pieces roughly and we season it with our local green seasonings and allow it to marinate, and then we start the making of the soup process after the marination of the beef. So we're going to start with our pimento. I like to use a lot of pimento when making soup. I think the pepper flavor from the pimento adds to the soup. 3 tablespoons of Chive. Every Saturday, is known for soups here in Trinidad and Tobago. So here today we're doing our beef soup. But you can choose to you can substitute the beef for any other meat you want. Garlic. 3. One bay leaf, 1 hot pepper, some onion, salt and black pepper to taste. We mix and allow to marinate. So now that our beef was allowed to marinate, we're going to start the process of the beef soup. I like to saute, for use of a term, my beef first, let it cook in its own juices first, and then we add all the liquids, the vegetables, the provisions, and the dumpling. So now we're going to add a little butter. Let the butter melt a little bit first, and then we add the beef. Give it a little stir. We cover and we allow the beef to spring its own little liquid for the next 5 to 10 minutes, and then we come back. Right. Now that we allow our beef to spring its own liquid, we come back, we stir. Right, I don't know about y'all, but I like my beef very soft in my soups. So we add a little liquid, we let the beef cook for about 35 to 40 minutes or till it's very tender, and then we add our vegetables and provisions and dumplings. So we cover, we add our little liquid, we cover, and then we next 30 to 40 minutes we come back and we check for tenderness. Let's check for tenderness. It's soft, so now we can go ahead and add all our other ingredients. So we're going to add our potatoes. We're going to add a little more liquid because we have some dumplings to add. And then we're going to add a little more salt and black pepper, just to keep the taste. Some Chadon Beni, some Chive, and some pimento. We're going to cover to bring to a boil or until the potato is just a little tender, and then we're going to add the dumplings. Alright, so now that our potatoes and carrots, pumpkin, it's tender enough, we can now add our dumplings. stir. We finish with a little bit of Chive. And let's let the dumplings cook for about 2 minutes. Because the dumplings, I cut them a little small. You can cut them a little bigger if you want. But let's let the dumplings cook for 2 minutes and then we switch off and serve.